Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see how we can make use of a custom HTML tag on a GTM account. A lot of times it happens that we might have to implement a specific code on the website or a JavaScript code on the website. In such a case, we can make use of the custom HTML tag out here. So let's have a look at this. So once we are inside the Google Tag Manager account, we can go to the tag section where we are going to create a new tag altogether. Now this tag is going to be a custom HTML. So this is where you can add your code, which can be an HTML code or a JavaScript code in this particular manner. And now you can apply this on all the pages. And we can name this as custom HTML. Once you do this, you can preview the website to have a look at it. So the code will now fire on the website and we should be able to see the information out there. So in this manner, you can, on the website, you can be able to see the information out here. So this is one way where you can apply a custom HTML. The other option, so if you see now in at the backend, the code has fired over here. And we can see the HTML out here showing up. So this means it is implemented on our page. The other option is, in the same manner, you can go ahead and add a JavaScript code. You can add in the same place, you can add a JavaScript code from a third-party tool and implement that on your website. So this way, we can add some custom codes on our website for various reasons which might be needed for the business. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand how custom HTML codes can be implemented with the help of Google Tag Manager. Thank you so much guys for listening into this, and I will see you in the next video.